there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making something that I've wanted to make in so long. I'm going to be turning a pile of old jeans into a whole trench coat. It's gonna be patchworked, it's gonna be dramatic, and yes, it's all thrifted. So if you love sewing, fashion transformations, or just good vibes, grab your snack and let's get into it. I'm Joy and I post sewing and fashion DIY content every single week, so go ahead, click the subscribe button down below and we'll grow together. And now let's get into it. By the way, I'm trying out colorful makeup. I do not know how I did on this look. Yeah, I love it. I think I love it. Do you? Do you love it? Anyway, let's rewind to a few months ago when I actually went thrifting. Let's do a mini haul of everything that I got. So this is the first pair that I got, and it's not that big, but I think it's going to look really good since it's a dark wash. The second one is this really huge pant, and it's a maternity trouser. So I'm thinking of using this top part to make something else, and it's really big and it's a light wash, and I think it complements this so well. And we also have this other dark wash trouser. It's a size US 34. I think it fits. It's actually not a trouser, it's like a short jorts, not sure. It's slim fit, and yeah, it has no major decorations whatsoever. I love it. And the last one that I got is this really light wash denim, and it's a size 32, and this is how it looks. It has these weird pockets at the back. It has some sort of raggedy beads, and I love it. I think all these four trousers complement each other, and those are the pieces that I'm going to cut out to make the fabric for the top part. Now for the lining, I have two options. I'm not sure which one is going to be better to use. I have this red tablecloth that has this beautiful embroidery. If this doesn't get to be in this, or if I don't use this as the lining, I'm definitely going to make a two-piece set with this. It looks amazing. Honestly, it does look amazing. And the other option I have for the lining is this beautiful green feltish fabric that has embroidery. It's coming off as blue, but it's actually green, and it has these crochet detail at the sides. It's really pretty. So if this doesn't become the lining, it's going to become another trench coat. So let's see if this or the red one fits, and then I'm going to seam rip everything on those jeans and try to make it into like a really huge fabric. My textile is complete and it's really long. I haven't seen it, so we're going to see it together. This is how we're looking. I don't know if it's cute or not. Yeah. Even if it's not cute, what can I do? I can't take it all apart and start all over again, right? So yeah, this is what you're going to work with. So let me just come a little bit closer. Yeah, that's what you're working with. And now it's time to go cut up the pattern and everything so that now we can start sewing. Well, hello there. It's a new day. I look good, I feel good, and yesterday I cut out everything. I have the green lining and I have my textile, and the green lining barely fit the pieces, so did my textile, and yeah, it was just hectic and all, but I managed to cut every single piece. It's shorter than I expected it to be, or rather than I wanted it to be, but I think it's gonna turn out cute. So the only different thing I'm going to do out of the pattern instructions, I'm going to have a welt pocket instead of a patch pocket because I want to hide all that mess underneath. It's twice as hard, but I think I'm going to manage. So yeah, let me just get started. This is where we're at. It actually does look like a coat right now, and as you can clearly see, we are missing sleeves. So that is the next step. I'm going to set in the sleeves into the armhole, and then I can construct my collar and attach it. Are we there yet? Yeah, I think we're almost there. The sleeves are in. I know they're really long, but I want to have them go on the inside, and then I can turn them like that. I don't know how to explain that. Anyway, yeah, let's put the collar on, and then we can attach the lining to the shell, and we will be done. So there was a power outage, and in that time I decided to undo my hair because, well, what else could I have done? And here we are, they are back, and I made the collar. This is my collar. Now all I have to do is attach it as I attach the shell to the lining. Oh, this thing is heavy. Anyway, the trench coat is done. I also went ahead and made belt, and now the last thing that I have to do is hand stitch the hem so that it can come out really nice and really clean. But yeah, I love this so much. I don't know what to think. I'm also thinking of top stitching the belt. I don't know if I should leave it like this or top stitch. Let me know in the comments.